Hey, all my female bosses, I know y'all been seeing my shirts, and I know you want to buy one, so now is your chance. We have smalls, mediums, larges, extra larges available, so you want to rep it, get you a shirt. What other way? Like, if you consider yourself a female boss, a boss babe, a female entrepreneur, then you need to be rocking this female entrepreneur t-shirt. Get your t-shirt today. Make sure you tell your other entrepreneur friends, girlfriends, sisters, nieces, and all that. So all y'all get a t-shirt. Make sure you tell them we got small, medium, large, and extra large. Come shop today. Be blessed.